2025 Genesis GV80 highs. More for less, beautiful inside and out, a big bond SUV that scat like an NHL forward. Lows. Gas only powertrain in a hybrid world, not third row offered with turbo 4 kids, only third row. Verdict. A compelling argument that luxury is about how expensive a car looks and feels instead of how much it costs. Overview. The Genesis GV. It is attention capturing design make a statement even when it's parked. A former 10 Best Award winner, this sophisticated SUV delivers luxury with one extra that its rivals at Prost and BMW simply don't offer. A marvelously sweet starting price, a 300 HP turbocharged 2.5 liter four cylinder is standard but can only be had with two rows of seats. The far more exciting 375 HP twin turbo V6 enable adding a third row and the ability to hold up to 7 passengers. All GV80s use an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive. The GV80's innards are plush indeed, starting with heated and closed seats for front and rear passengers and going as far as heated armsets and a ride that's near silent even at highway speeds. What's new for 2025? The Genesis GV80 gets updated for 2025 with some meaningful and new equipment. The luxury midsize SUV wears a new grille and what the company called micro lens airy headlamp from the Generation 90 sedan. Through their different design, does take a moment on to sport. There are new wheel design featuring a 20 and a 22-inch option. Store green, which is offered in glossy or matte. It's a new color choice on the inside. The GV80's gauge cluster and informant display are now jointly present on a massive 27.0-inch touchscreen. Genesis adds three new interior shades for 2025: Earth Brown, Braddock's Brown, and Glacier White. There's also a new GV80 couple model which we review separately. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Genesis GV80 start at 59 $1,050 and goes up to 80 $6500 depending on the trim and options. All GV80s come bearing plainful standard features including navigation, a 27.0-inch infotainment, touchscreen, heated front seat, wireless charging, and a power lift gate. There is no poor choice here. We are big fans of the extra power provided by the twin turbo 3.0 liter 3.5 V6, which cost approximately $8,000 over the base 2.5T model. The 3.5T advanced terms should satisfy most buyers, and as it comes with 20-inch wheels, a pneumatic sunroof, leather upholstery, four-zone automatic climate control, heated seat and steering wheel, adaptive cruise control with LAN creating a bag and Olfsen stereo system, automatic high beam headlamp, a head-up display, and much more. engine transmission and performance. This mid-size luxury crossover has a same underpinning as the G80 sedan.